Hello!
How's things? Welcome to Madrid.
We're going to show you some of our sound city.
So at the same time you will discover our favorite places.
Let's start asking people which sounds they associate with this city.
Let's go!
Allá donde se cruzan los caminos, donde el mar no se puede concebir, donde regresa siempre el fugitivo, pongamos que hablo de Madrid. Donde el deseo viaja en ascensores, un agujero queda para mí, que me dejó la vida en sus rincones, pongamos que hablo de Madrid. Las niñas ya no quieren ser princesas y a los niños les da.
Hi, what's your favorite sound of Madrid?
It's the language of Madrid, so every time a people speak to me in Spanish, that's my favorite sound of it. And my less favorite is the klaxon, because it's really noisy here.
Los pájaros visitan al psiquiatra, las estrellas se olvidan de salir, la muerte pasa en ambulancias blancas, pongamos que hablo de Madrid.
Disculpen, ¿podrían decirnos cuál es su sonido favorito de la ciudad, de Madrid?
De los pájaros.
Pájaros. ¿Y alguno que no les guste?
Los coches. Los coches.
Their favorite sound is the sound of the birds, and their least favorite sound is the traffic.
Pongamos que hablo de Madrid, de Madrid.
Hey, listen to the sound I found.
Retiro is one of the most famous parks in the city center of Madrid, in which there is a lot of events. The most popular part of the park is the lake, where you can sail with a small boat.
De Madrid.
I think that it's the best.
Sol is a popular square in Madrid where we celebrate New Year's Eve, eating 12 grapes at midnight while the bells are chiming.
Mine is the best.
Cibeles is a fountain in the city center where we celebrate Real Madrid victories, and there is always a lot of traffic there.
If you want to hear this sound
And enjoy these favorite places,
come to Madrid.